Racing gas is started. We have dash of humor. Break quickly to start. Moving up on the outside. Gobelis. Atoy for us in the middle portion. Right choices. Dragon May is down on the inside. In the middle portion. King Aljun. Then running by the Labon's Treasure. Cham second less. While Reality Show is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Gobelis by about 2 lengths. Dash of Humor is right behind in second. A length further back in third comes Atoy for us. King Aljun is down in fourth. The next online is Dragon May. Abon's Treasure comes next. Reality Show. Right choices. Well, Chum is still racing and less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Dash of Humor now takes command by about 3 lengths. Then here comes King Aljun. Now moving up to take second, and in third comes Gobelis. Atoy for us, then comes Avon's Treasure. Dragon May comes next. Reality Show, while Chum still running at the tail of the field, and Diana entering the home stretch. Dash of Humor down on the inside now is King Aljun to take the lead. We have King Aljun. Dash of Humor is on the outside. Avon's Treasure is down on the inside. Last 50 meters, we have King Aljun, followed now by Abon's Treasure. Dash of Humor, then comes Dragon May. Reality Show. Atoy for us.